Okay, we're getting ready to plant some seeds. First, I'm going to go through germination pre-soak. Got a little bit of dechlorinated water. Just a tiny splash. And some peroxide. Gives them a super oxidization. And any generic peroxide will do the trick. And now we just pull out 2 of the seeds of our choice. Pop them in the water. Let them soak for, I usually do 12 to 24. And then I either plant them directly or I throw them into a damp paper towel in a bag for a day. But I think with the autoflowers, these are autoflowers, I'm going to plant them directly. Got the pots all ready to go. And we'll be back tomorrow. Good day, folks. Well, the seeds have been soaking for 12 hours now. And I think they're ready to plant. I already pre-wetted a little spot in the center for the seeds. See if we can get them to cooperate. Little indentation in the center. Push that down in a little bit. Cover it up lightly. Do not pack them down. And then I always pour a little bit of this water over them. Gives a little extra oxygen in the soil temporarily for them. Keeps them seeds vigorous, ready to go. And there you have it. Seed planting 101. We'll see them in a couple of days. I'm going to set up some time lapse here and see what kind of footage we can get. Thanks for stopping by to watch us. Have a good day.